BullseyeBore Core. BullseyeBore Core solves the problem that every drill user has: how to drill straight, perpendicular to the work surface. It projects a series of circular patterns on the work surface that indicate alignment or misalignment of the drill bit with regards to the work surface. When the patterns are concentric, the drill is straight with and perpendicular to the work surface. Conversely, when the patterns are non-concentric, the drill is misaligned with the work surface. These patterns make it easy for DIYs and pros alike to always drill straight. BullseyeBore Core works in any orientation, so it can easily be used on walls, floors, ceilings, or boards at any angle. The core's unique shape also allows it to be virtually invisible during drill rotation, so the drill bit, work surface, and the core's projected work surface patterns are clear and easy to see. If a foreign object mistakenly comes into contact with BullseyeBore Core during rotation, the connection between BullseyeBore Core and the drill chuck is immediately broken, and the core's rotation ceases, even if the drill bit is still spinning. Please read and follow the BullseyeBore Core safety guidelines before attempting to use BullseyeBore Core. BullseyeBore Core was designed to work with thousands of common standard electric drills and drill chucks. For information regarding use with your specific drill, see the BullseyeBore Core product and accessory compatibility guide for more information. Unlike traditional drill guides, drill cups, or drill blocks, BullseyeBore Core does not need to contact the work surface you drill into, and thus will not scratch or mar it during normal operation. Further, unlike traditional drill guides, drill cups, or drill blocks, BullseyeBore Core does not block or obstruct your view of the drill bit or work surface during a drilling operation. Walcom Evo 360 Mask. Practical and light, only 2 kg. No impediment to movement inside the spray booth, CE+ ATEX approved. Purified air thanks to 3 internal filters. Pre-filter to be replaced daily. Master filter to be replaced monthly. Charcoal filter to be replaced every 2 months. 3 speed levels. Long battery life, 18H of autonomy. Speed 1 to 18H autonomy. Speed 2 to 15H autonomy. Speed 3 to 12H autonomy. Fast charging, 80% in 30 minutes. Leather belt. Large visor with 90 degrees opening locking system. CtrlAX. The CEO of Kutra said, "I realized there was no tool to process plastics in Australia where the DY products were commonly used. So I invented an ultrasonic cutter so that anyone can easily process plastics. The cutter is most suitable for 3 mm thick plastics and can be used to cut resin, acrylic panel, leather, PVC, and rubber accurately with ease. There are various options of blades that can be easily switched. The cutter is priced competitively and can be used by 3D printing companies, post-processing companies, and even dentists to make dental prostheses." Wolfcraft Keyhole Saw. 5mm O makes it possible to saw small diameters and free forms. 2-component handle for ergonomic guidance. Drill tip for easy plunging into the plasterboard. This keyhole saw makes short work of small recesses or free form cuts in board material. The specially ground drill tip lets you start the cut with control and achieve a precise plunge cut. The circumferentially toothed shank with a length of 17 centimeters and a width of 5 mm can saw even the smallest radii precisely and quickly. The ergonomically shaped 2-component handle fits comfortably in the handle and enables effortless guidance. The ideal helper for use on drywalls. 5mm O makes it possible to saw small diameters and free forms in plasterboard. 2-component handle for ergonomic guidance. Ballantyne Gear Eveook. Work safely and efficiently. Avoid fines without increasing work time. Our Eveook system is trusted by roof cleaners, pesticide companies, solar panel installers, satellite dish installers, roofers, Christmas light installers, and more to get the job done safely and on time. Our non-penetrating fall protection system is the best choice for most residential sloped roofs on houses, commercial buildings, apartments, and condos. Our fast and easy Eveook installation for residential-style sloped roofs requires no nails or screws and doesn't cause damage, despite having dozens of anchor points in one system. Install our non-penetrating system in just 6.5 minutes once training has been completed. The Ballantyne Gear Incorporated Eveook system is certified to the ANSI Z359.6-16 and CSA Z259.16-15 standard as an engineered fall protection system for residential-style sloped roofs on residential and commercial buildings when used as specified in the technical manual. Testing performed at an independent ISO 17025 accredited laboratory. Also, meets US OSHA CFR 1910.140 Appendix D, CFR 1926.502 Appendix C, and ANSI Z359.18 standards. Elephant's Trunk 3. The pulley on the back has a pulling force of 3 kilograms. In this way, a large part of the weight of the hedge trimmer is taken off your hands and transferred to the hips. The elephant's trunk can also be used for other portable garden tools between 4.5 and 8 kilograms, except for chainsaws. The tool is attached to the harness with the large carabiner. The steel cable moves smoothly in any direction via the guide rollers, even when working above shoulder height. The aluminum tube is rotatable to prevent it from getting stuck in the hedge. Moreover, the tube is adjustable in length and fully collapsible so that you can store or take the harness compactly. The pulley on the back has a pulling force of 3 kilograms, relieving much of the weight of the hedge trimmer from the hands and shifting it to the hips. Altrex Shuttle Lift System. The winch is operated with a cordless drill and can lift up to 60 kilograms. Turning the cordless drill counterclockwise lifts the console. The cap set for the cordless drill is included as standard. With the carrier set, you can safely and ergonomically hoist all materials to your workplace on the mobile access and working tower. The carrier set comes with its own console, and the crate carrier also fits on the solar console. In addition to the regular mobile access and working towers, the carrier set can also be used in combination with the Mi Tower and Mi Tower Plus, which can be assembled by one person. With the solar set, you can safely and quickly hoist up 2 solar panels at the same time. When using the solar set, the special frame for solar panels will need to be installed. Together with the solar set frame, the panel can be rotated by 90 degrees. This allows you to safely and easily place the solar panel on the working platform. MAKAGIC. Using a 0.96-inch OLED display, all functions and accessories can be set clearly and conveniently through the screen. We offer electric clamping and manual rotation of 2 clamping methods, with your heart to adjust at any time to complete your work. MAKAGIC supports standard replacement of small parts such as clamps and gripper columns, while encouraging users to make their own DIY design and innovation, so that MAKAGIC can ensure a longer good experience. So that MAKAGIC can accompany you for a longer time and constantly create. 125mm working stroke. MAKAGIC has the same size and long clamping working distance, which can steadily handle most of the small items that you need to clamp in your daily work, whether it is maintenance, DIY, or welding, so that you do not need to buy various tools. Just one MAKAGIC can solve the problem of easy fine work. MAKAGIC has a torque feedback function and will automatically stop working after stepping up to a certain extent, and always fixed in the stop position. MAKAGIC can also ensure a reasonable amount of reinforcement, support self-regulation, and prevent injury to your fingers or other parts during the reinforcement process.